Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So, it's been such a long time since I've done a video, I can't even hardly remember how to shoot these things. So, but in any case, I'd like to work on the screwdriver today. And it's got a few problems. It's loose. And anyway, I think I need to take it apart. And I'm going to see what I can do to make it look nice. Let's get started. Well, that's it. You know, it turned out okay. I wish that I had a better way to put this little pin in here, but you know, that turned out okay. And the epoxy and everything, it's probably going to hold just fine. I really like this little, I want to say full tang area back here where that you can hit with a hammer if you have to, but I probably won't be doing that. But yeah, so there it is, all finished, and what do you know, I got a video done. See you next time. Thanks.